Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from Tech Updates. I just received this TONOR microphone from Amazon, and so let's unbox it. Okay, let's see. This is the box. It has 2 years warranty. And so basically this is the TONOR microphone TC30, and it's USB microphone. Okay, in China. Just plug and play. All right, so and one of the reasons that I ordered this microphone is that it's much cheaper than the Rode microphones, which are known to be of the highest quality. But I just thought of having, like starting with the budget first. I mean, cheaper one, not the budget, but it's a really good microphone, but it's much cheaper than the Rode. Maybe the next microphone that I'm gonna get will be the Rode, then I'm gonna also unbox it when I get it. But for now, I'm just starting from the first step of getting this nice microphone, which has a lot of good reviews, and that's one of the reasons why I actually got it. All right, so this is the USB cable. All right, let's put it here. This is the microphone with the stand. Okay, so you see it's nice. Okay, and this is the the filter condenser, which can be actually put there. What else? I think that's it from the box. Then we get this, so I think that's everything. All right, and so the manual here, we can see, if I move this to the back, so this is the pop filter that we just put there. These are technical specifications, and this is the setup for sort of Mac OS or for Windows, how to plug it and then start it. Yeah, I mean, it's just detail. And this is the warranty, the 2-year warranty card that I would need to use right now in order to, get myself covered for 2 years.